South Pointe Pier at the very end of South Beach. The fishing and pedestrian pier stretches out into the bay, and a fun place to people watch and see the ships coming in. As you look into the port of Miami, you'll see a big container ship, and cruise ships are back. There's a big cruise ship on the right and a container ship on the left. The cruise ships have resumed since the shutdown due to COVID. And there's the towers at south of 5th, South Pointe Park, and a lovely beach here at the very end. Very mild wind today, 78 and sunny. And the pier stretches right out into the ocean. A beautiful day on the Monday before Thanksgiving, November 2021, here at South Pointe Park. And you'll see the entrance right there. The gates are open. Come down and enjoy on your next trip to Miami Beach.